the importance of self-education, I would say first that a young man should carefully consider that what his natural bent or inclination is. He should take stock of himself and ascertain, if possible, what he is best adapted for, and then he should endeavor to get into that vocation with as few changes as possible, having entered upon it, then let him pursue the work in hand with diligence and a determination to know it thoroughly, which can only be done by close and enthusiastic application of the power at his command. He should strive to master the details and put into the work an energy directed by strong common sense so as to make his service of value wherever he is. He should be alert and ready to seize opportunities when they present themselves. To the trouble with most young men is that they do not learn anything thoroughly and are apt to do the work committed to them in a careless manner, forgetting that one is worth doing at all is worth doing well. They become drones and rely upon chance to bring them success. The business world is full of just such young men content with simply putting in their time somehow and drawing their salaries. They make no effort whatever to increase their efficiency and by to enhance their own as well as their employer's interest. There are others who want what they are not fitted for and who
Waste
waste their
lives.
lives in what we call misfit occupation. For better be a good carpenter or mechanic of
Any
kind than a
lakasan mo.
poor business or professional man. Next to the selection of an occupation is the choice of compensation.
Basa. Anong basa mo dyan?
Compensation.
Ano yan? And
Companion. Companions to every young man, I would say, seek at the start to cultivate the acquaintance of
those. Lakasan mo kasi
only whose contact and
influence
will handle with
high. Lakasan mo.
Purposes as I consider the
Building
up of a sterling character, one of the fundamental principles of true
lakasan.
success. The young man who possesses a conscience that cannot brook the
Slightest suspicion
of wrongdoing and who insists on steadfast and undeviating truthfulness, sturdy honesty, and strict devotion to duty under all circumstances has a fortune to begin with
lakasan.
the ability
Lakasan mo na.
to
Restrain
appetite,
lakasan.
passions,
Tongue
and
lakasan.
temper to be their master and not their slave. In a word,
Basa kasi.
Absolute.
Oh, lakasan.
Absolute.
Sulot.
Absolute. Self-control is
Lakasan mo kasi,
also of first importance. One who cannot
Basa.
govern himself is
Lakasan.
unfitted to govern others.
Govern others.
Govern others.